back with a POV, but I got a different POV. I had it on the windshield. I got it stuck right there. See how we roll with this type of POV, how it record, and how I catch my voice. I'm pretty far from the camera, so it's rainy low key. It's like, it's not rainy, it's like it started sprinkling a little bit, and it's Thursday, and I want to go to the track. So right now I'm finna go head to cash, head to get some money, get some cash. What was it called? I'm gonna swing by the track. Hopefully it's still all good. It shouldn't rain no more. I'm hoping it don't rain no more. I'm gonna check the weather app right now. As you can hear, bro, I put the muffler back on. I don't know if I said it on any of my vids. I put the muffler back on so my car is quiet. I got tired of it because I'll be riding in a highway in like fucking loud ass car, bro. I can't hear my music. Like, you see that? Down a little bit more, bro. Bro, as y'all can see, it started coming the fuck down, bro. Shit started raining, shit started pouring. It's still pouring. It's not pouring crazy, but it's raining, bro. And I don't know no stream. I'm trying to check, bro, if it's, oh shit. I'm gonna swing by right now. If not, I'm gonna fuck it, upload this shit, then fuck that shit, bro. Go Sunday, bro, cause I ain't trying to pay 20 and then be like no racist, bro. Like, what the fuck? No racist, like no. Oh, I just ran that bitch. Hey, I'm in Mexico. I'm in Mexico right now. And like in Mexico, it means red means go, and then yellow means slowly stop. So like, you know what I'm saying? And so like, I'm knowledgeable with these street lights. So when yellow means slow down, I was like, red is about to come up. So like, I'ma speed up. You know what I'm saying? So like, yeah. Either way, I'm in Mexico. What the fuck you gonna do, bro? But yeah, bro, I'm finna go through this back road. One time I was driving and I took the wrong turn, and I went through over here, bro. Fucking street is beautiful. It's beautiful because the fucking trees. Like, I came through here. I was listening to some G Herbo, some Young Boy. You know what I'm saying? And like, shit was just hard. But right here, bro, I love this road. I can't go too fast on here because it's raining. I used to be speeding up on this bitch because right here is like so calming. See, like, oh my god, it's so beautiful right here. It up. He just fucked up the video. Yo, this dickhead just fucked up my video. He's supposed to go 40. Oh my god, he just fucked up my video, bro. Go ahead and dislike it, bro. Holy shit. And what'd you hear about say?
No, in business. DJ Victor, bring me the bed.
Working 12-hour slave shifts, but I be on yachts. I ain't come from off no slave ship. Pull up in that drop, have them guessing what I make a year. There's so many ops, I be thinking.
Oh my god. What in the fuck? Bro, like, oh my god, bro. I hate people like this, bro. If you on the road and you drive like this, get the fuck out the road, bro. Driving like a fucking grandma. Oh my god, get the fuck out the road, please. Holy shit. Get the fuck out. Oh my god. Circus. I don't know if y'all can see it. Oh shit. I'm scraping. Still scraping. Oh, I'm scraping. Where that Ford behind me? Right here at this quick trip, everybody's been coming up. I already show y'all. This is the quick trip. There's a lot of people there. Are they waiting? There's people coming in? Bro, there's people coming in. I don't want to go in though. What? I don't want to go in though. I saw and there was no one, bro. Like on the lineup to race, there was like a little bit, bro. Cause bro, if I pay, bro, I gotta pay, bro, and then I might go eat and then come back. I guess what I'm gonna do, and then see later, bro. Bro, yeah, I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna do that, bro. So right now, I'm finna go eat, and then I'm finna go eat probably like 30 minutes, and then come back. I was gonna eat in there, and then but I'm gonna go eat right now. Come back like 9:30. Right now it's about to be 9:30, and then see what's up. If it's still empty, bro, then fuck it. It's gonna be the vid. Fuck them. Oh shit. Yo, I'm not going to eat at this McDonald's though. Fuck McDonald's. Right now I got bread. I'm finna go eat a fucking torta. You know what I'm saying? A good ass meal. So, you know what I'm saying? It was a little POV. It was not too much. I was testing a new POV. So let me know if this go better. If this shit better than the head cam. Then when I be having it on my forehead usually. I be having it on my forehead. You can see me staring the motherfucking whale, playing with the motherfucking stick. Yeah, and then what's it called? Yeah, bro. Let me know if you like this POV. Let me know if y'all like the POVs. I've been trying to bring more track videos, and so yeah, bro. This is gonna be the end. It's starting to rain harder now, so I doubt this shit. I doubt. Fuck this, bro. I'm mad, bro. I really wanted the track to be open. So yeah, bro, I'm gonna go eat. See y'all later. To the next one.